Hello, awesome readers! Today we're going to be reading Sesame Street Washy Wash and Other Healthy Habits, written by Reynolds, illustrated by Sesame Workshop and Paul Roberts. When it comes to living in a healthy world, there are lots of ways to do your part. You can help yourself and others. Here are some ways you can start. We wash our hands so germs that make us sick go away. After we use the bathroom, before we eat, or after we've been outside to play. First, we wet our hands. Warm water will do the trick. Not too hot and not too cold will keep us from getting sick. Next, we wash with soap. That's what gets us clean. Scrub your thumb and pinky and every finger in between. Wash, rub, scrub. Sing the washy wash song. When it's through, you're done. Wash your hands and do a dance. Isn't hand washing oh so fun?
Wash, washy, wash, washy, wash, wash your hands. Scrub them while you sing the song. Wash, washy, wash, washy, wash, wash. Rub your hands and fingers and the places in between. Using soap and water makes your hands so clean. Wash your hands. Great job, you're almost done. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, now dry.
Wash your hands for 20 seconds, just like Elmo.
Another way to show you care is to give your neighbor some space. Whether you're walking by or just saying hi, 6 feet apart is the best place. Ernie pretends he's wearing a hula hoop and Bert is wearing one too. Big Bird imagines there's enough space for one Snuffleupagus to walk through. Not being able to hug or high-five can make Abby want to pout, but she can wave hello or goodbye, jump up and down, or even shout. Mr. Noodle can call his sister Miss Noodle when he is feeling alone. Ring, ring, hello, hello. All it takes is picking up the phone. And when Elmo doesn't feel well, when he coughs or sneezes, achoo! He stays inside until he's better again so his friends don't get sick too. When everyone is better, we can play and run and pretend. Wearing masks and practicing healthy habits means more time to spend with friends. There are so many ways to care for each other, and these healthy habits are important too, because the best way to take care of others is to take good care of you. The end. Thank you so much for reading with me. If you enjoyed, please don't forget to like and subscribe so that we can read together again. If you would like me to read one of your favorite books, please send me your request. My email will be posted in the description below.